So XRP is sitting at $1.48 right now, as you can see. And the XRP overall situation, it's basically the story of deliverance on the double bottom. Yesterday we talked about the support of 1.3. It was able to hold on to 1.3, which is a good news because that's where we were yesterday when it dropped, and it held on to 1.3, and now it is going up. It did touch 1.5. I think it touched our resistance. Yes, it did. So you can see it touched 1.5 multiple times with this green candle, and now with the ongoing red candle. From here, if it holds 1.5, by the time you're watching this video, you would know what happened to it. But if it holds on to 1.5 for more than 8 hours, just like we talked about it yesterday with 1.3, whenever I share a level, it's always an 8-hour story. If I want 2 days from it, I'll always mention that. Just keep that in mind. Let's have a learning experience. So as long as it stays above 1.5, it's sitting at 1.4. Right now it's below it. If it goes above 1.5 and spends 8 hours there, then that's an indication it is going to shoot up towards at least 1.7. Let me just check. 3, 5, that's 2. Yeah. Then it is going to shoot up towards 1.7 and will continue with its journey towards $2. Something that we are aiming for. After 1.5, I told you that the in between areas, they wouldn't matter that much. After 1.5, the overall story will be about the journey towards $2 and nothing else. The area between 1.5 to $1, we have so many levels just because of the fact that there is still uncertainty in the overall space of XRP for it. There is so much selling that happens in this area. Everyone who has XRP, they have purchased it at different prices at 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents. 40 cents has been kind of 48, 45. Those kind of ranges has been kind of a blessing for those who love XRP for multiple years. From previous 5 years, you have seen this range hundreds of times, if I'm not wrong. And even this year in 2024, we saw it dipping below 50 cents multiple times. So those who are with XRP and they have purchased this thing around, let's say 40 cents, they're still, or even 45 cents, they're still making a 4x on it, 400% profit. So this is an area of an exit. Generally, people who will sit longer for it would be the ones who would wait for the areas of $2 or $3 because they are the ones who want to cash big. But there are few people, and the general audience who are going to hold on to for that long are the ones who believe in XRP to go to $10 and 100 and 1,000. I'm none of that. I've already mentioned this thing previously in one of the videos that just like SU, I stopped covering SU after $3.5 when it achieved 3.5 because I was covering it from cents. There was no point of me covering it anymore because it entered an area of testing. That's where you lose your TA, and I haven't studied its fundamentals, so I have no idea. With XRP, I have extensive knowledge of its fundamentals, so I know what kind of a project it is. And when it comes to TA, I understand the TA as well. So when XRP hits $2, I will reevaluate the situation because the max XRP has ever done is 3. I will analyze it till $2, and I think after $2 I might drop XRP if I don't decide to have a journey with it till $3. But XRP at least has a history of up to $3. With SU, it was a lot of TA, a weak TA that I had to use because I did end up seeing cup and handle on it up to 3.3, 3.5. After that, I was going to go blind on SU, and I don't want to just come and share something that I have no idea will happen or not happen because the probabilities of that are 10-20%. I wouldn't go and lean towards that. Same would be the case scenario with XRP. I will leave this coin after a certain price targets. I will be done with it, and of course, on the basis of fundamentals, I firmly don't believe in $10 or $100 at all. The higher the price, the more stronger would be my reaction to it. But that's a discussion to when we go there. We are sitting at $1.4 and we are fighting over 100. That's total rubbish. But anyway, talking about current case scenario and why people sell and leave, I'm just trying to explain that there's a lot of sell-off between $1 to 1.5, and that's why XRP faces its problems in this area. But the moment it breaks above 1.5 and sustainably start living above it, then we are going to see an upward journey towards $2 finally. Last time when it went towards 1.6, it went all the way down and it started getting weaker. All this happened because it went straight to that area. Anyway, let's see if this double bottom holds or not, or if this double bottom turns into a double top, and then we are back to square one of 1.3, and this time we will have a triple top and we would be talking about the downward journey. But if this neckline holds, if this thing holds and it breaks out, then we are going to deliver on this existing double bottom, which is completed, and we will start seeing it shooting up towards 1.7. But the area is 1.5. 1.5 needs to hold for it to go towards 1.7. If it is not able to go above 1.5, right now it's below it, then it's not going to go towards 1.7 at all. It just means that it is going to go towards 1.3 again. And that's pretty much it with XRP. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.